Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how to fix the issue with Apex Legends. Whenever you play the game, you get the engine error unsupported pack hash format. So let's look at how to fix it. I'm going to give you two solutions in this video. So for the first solution is that you need to delete the game cache folder. To do this, open File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, users folder. Click on it and double click your username, and then once you do that, locate the saved games folder. Then once you do that, go to Respawn, go to Apex, right click on the assets and select delete. After deleting the assets folder, launch the game and check if the problem is resolved. If not, let's move on to the second solution. Go back to the same file path, return to the Respawn folder, Apex Legends, right click on it and select delete. After that, close the window. For Steam users, open Steam, right click on the game, select Properties, choose Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. For EA app users, open the EA app, select the three dot icon next to the game, and choose the repair option. After verification, launch the game and check if the problem is resolved. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If it did, don't forget to leave the video a like. Thank you.